Good morning. It is Tuesday morning, July 13th, 2021. Welcome to the Perfect Storm Trading YouTube channel. For more information on our products, go to perfectstormtrading.com. You can click on the book links. You can click on the book link on the menu bar. You can click on the book link on the lower left icon. Quick review from the chart I put up yesterday with the aspect times. You can see the aspect times were pretty good. The first one that triggered at 809 got us into this big bull run. The second one never triggered a reversal bar within the orb. The Cosmodyne graph, the uptrend here caught that peak. We got this first high right at the aspect time and at the Cosmodyne peak. Cosmodyne turned down. Our next key aspect time came in at this low. We started moving up, and when we hit the Cosmodyne high, we kind of flatlined here, went into a consolidation phase. This next timer didn't really give us much of anything. The next timer got us into another long on the trend move. The PH time here was a swing midpoint, so no trigger, but with the continuation, we know where that was going to go. It had to go to this point here, half the move repeated. Then the last turn time that I had posted came in right here at this low before the last push up on the day. Let's take a look at the rainbow. I'll give you a few of the rainbow turn times for today. Here's the rainbow on the ES. This is a 4-minute Heikin-Ashi chart. Not much going here. Early morning short triggered here about 252. Usually like to look at this from like 2 o'clock till the 1600 hour close. A lot of times in the lighter action, the signals are not going to be as strong as they are in the more active period. We've got triggers, 2 triggers in already. We had a short triggered here. We had a short triggered here. The first one didn't go far. You might have grabbed a few ticks out of there before reversed. This one's still going and in play. We've got another time coming at 9:20, right before the day session open. We've got one at 13:10, and we've got this one here coming in about 13:41. There is one late in the day, but that's I don't really like to trade in this time. This last one comes in at 16:52. So that's, oh, you know what, let me give you one more little piece here. This may be fruitful. Here's a look at the last few days, the Astro Excel chart. I've kind of highlighted the trend with the red trend line, highlight the green line activity here. You can see we had green line peaked and was down in front of that big drop late last week. We started back up. We made lows here. The trend was up to here. The trend peaked a little early, turned down. We turned down on the green line. Our green line made a low here. Green and blue line low there. Kind of big bottoming period right here. The actual low came in a little bit before that. We started up again. We made a peak on the green line here. We got another, reaction down off of that. Now we've turned it back up again. So the green line and blue line are up, but we make this peak on both at about 9:15, 9:20 this morning, and then we turn down on both lines, and we're down into the evening where the blue line bottoms about 12, 16 minutes after midnight. So we're going to have some downward pressure on the day today. So you should just be aware of that and look to concentrate on the trade triggers in that direction. So that is it for today. Give you a little bit of everything there. That's it for today. We'll be back with another video on Wednesday. We will see you then.